pretty sure I just accidentally sent an invite when I was trying to turn on my sound.
You did.
Yes, yes, you did. So many invites. So many invites, so little time. Ah. Well, if everybody's streaming, everybody's got their boxes checked.
Yes.
Welcome,
Yep,
everybody.
everything's
Okay, welcome everybody to Rated Random with Crazy. A little side of crazy. We are playing Grounded today. I'm X-Ray47. One to my left is random, one to my left is crazy. Whichever one that is, you decide. They might not be
Around
drinking,
here
I'm
somewhere.
drinking.
Starting from the lobby screen today for reasons you'll see in a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start now.
Yeah, because
Yes.
it's probably going to take at least a minute for me to load in, if not more.
I want my surprise.
all I gotta say is stay at the baseball.
Stay at the baseball.
I mean,
Stay at the baseball, and then after the cutscene, then you can venture off.
You know I can't make that promise.
All right. Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna argue. Okay, you do what you want to do. You know,
I mean,
I just
he's safe in that area. There's nothing to worry about. Because there's the one at the oak tree, one up underneath the porch.
Then you also have to remember the other thing after we did the stuff with Mr. Mr. Man.
He was there for that. He saw the orcs.
He saw the orcs. You saw the orcs. Okay.
Yeah, he was there when we did that.
Well, I know he was there when we did that, but I don't know if he remembered the. Anyway. Oh yeah, Chris. By the way, I got a new job.
Did you? Good job, man.
Yep.
Congrats. What'd you get?
I'm working here in town.
That's good.
$17
I know
an
that-
hour.
There you go. That's not bad. I was wondering if you found something in town. I was hoping you would.
Yeah, I did, and it's actually decent, and it's working at the fab here in town where we create sprinkler systems and stuff for buildings.
Oh, okay.
For like their fire preventions and stuff like that, those kind of sprinkler systems.
By the way, I have no idea where the hell I'm at. I just like spawned next to something attacking me, so that was fantastic.
Yeah, you look like you're up by the charcoal area up there.
Oh, perfect. Hold on. Come on. Load in, damn it.
There you are. I see you.
Oh, you see
You
me?
just popped in.
Oh, God. Well, everything... Oh, hold on. Everything's
hold
so
on.
black. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh!
You can move.
Okay. All right. Hold on. And go.
Cutscene time.
Oh, thank you. I was being chased by some.
I plugged this thing.
Oh, got an achievement.
Yeah. That was the other reason why we... Alright,
Nice.
so now in this area, you no longer need to have a gas mask on.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, the problem with that, though, is that all the infected stuff we found in this area is all over the place now.
Oh, no. That's not good.
Yeah,
And there's a new monster that we have, or new creature that we're gonna have to fight.
yeah, very
We
new
got the whole-
monster. Let's see here.
Why do I have to
If
be
I-
completely lost in nighttime? Like, come on now. This is ridiculous.
Okay, let's see here.
Well, I'm heading your direction. I'll get there eventually.
Head to the raisin face.
And
That's at the base.
yeah, go
Raisin
towards
face?
him. Yeah. Go toward.
Uh,
Go to the guy that does not look like any of us. Go to Dr. Tully.
Tully, that's his name. I was sitting here trying to remember.
Where's he at? The tree?
No.
No, he's at the base.
Actually, no. Go to
Uh,
the tree. Go to the tree. We gotta go to the tree.
Oh yeah, we have to turn in. We did find a chip without you.
Yeah. Yeah. We
that we
gotta
have
go to the
turn
tree.
in.
I'm just coming to you guys.
Now is that in the? No, it's not. So I need to do that. Okay. All right. And now
Yeah.
I yumpus, and I fallen jumpus. Oh.
And I'm already back at the base.
Shit. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna break this brittle quartzite that I found. Yay. Oh God. Oh Jesus.
He's having fun apparently.
Evidently.
Okay, you just need to die.
There it is.
You just need. Okay, I killed you in one shot somehow. I don't know how.
Nice and safe.
Did I get all the brittle quartzite? I got all the. No, that's marble. I got one. Where's the others? Did they fall into the fucking earth and?
Probably.
Nope, there's one. Found one.
And then I got a new toy.
Found the
What'd
other
you
one.
get?
Oh God! Oh Jesus! Oh God!
What's
Ow!
it called?
Oh,
The
leave me alone.
pinch whacker.
Oh yeah. Okay, get up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm out of there. All right, run!
Hey, you're not stuck on the workbench anymore, Mr. Tully.
God, the weevils are everywhere. The exploding weevils are everywhere.